Trouble turn up TV.
Alright, yeah. My house, I come to you with that. It has been demolished by It has been demolished by Hurricane Melissa. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Water, the all over, everything wet up. My room, I don't have no roof for my room. So if there's anybody out there that is willing to assist, I am grateful. I'll accept any help. Respectfully, please, may I ask if you help? Nothing. They smashed right up, roof gone, but I am alive. I give God thanks. I did take cover. You understand me? So me give God thanks. I am alive and well. AC mash up. So everything gone. Then everything. So it is what it is. Everything gone. See, water, everything then a water. Nowhere to sleep tonight. But me give God thanks to life. Oh, I have to go back to the window because I have no other entrance and I don't want to collapse one, so I have to come out of here now.
Trouble turn up TV.